Hello everyone, welcome back to Kitchen of Flavors. Today I'm going to show you how to make pretzels. So the ingredients are very simple and the method is simple as well. So we're going to begin by warming 1.5 cup of water. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar inside it, salt sorry. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And we're just going to give it a quick stir. So now we are going to add 1.5 packet of yeast. So we're also going to give this a quick stir. Now we are going to let the yeast activate for 5 minutes, then I'll show you what to do next. So the yeast has already activated. We're just going to give it a quick stir, just to make sure that everything is mixed well and we don't have any sugar or salt remaining at the bottom. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we are going to add 5 cups of flour. This is the all-purpose flour. So I'm just going to pour it inside slowly. Now I'm going to keep stirring it till it makes a dough. So my dough is already kneaded and I'm just going to take it out of the bowl and put it on a side. Now we're going to take a bit of oil, just a bit, and spread it on the bowl. Make sure you spread it properly and evenly, like that. Now we're going to take the dough and put it back into the bowl, just like that. Now we're going to leave it here for 1 hour so it can rise. But make sure the dough is soft, not so hard. And yeah, we're going to let it sit for 1 hour so it can rise. Okay, it's been 1 hour already, and as you can see, the dough has risen up. So I'm just going to deflate it really quick. This is how the dough should be. It just takes 1 hour for it to rise. Okay, now we are going to take it out of the bowl and place it on our table. Now we are going to take small pieces of the dough and roll them. So we're going to roll it like this, like a snake, long, but make sure it's a bit thin and not too fat. Now we're going to turn them like that. So this is how it's supposed to be. That's the shape. So these are actually how the pretzels are supposed to look, but you can make any shape out of it according to your desire and your wish. You can also add in a few ingredients like dry raisins and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, so the next thing you're supposed to do is to boil 3 cups of water and put 100 grams of bicarbonate soda, which is baking soda. So that's how it's going to be. And we're just going to let it boil for a few seconds before we put the pretzels inside. So we're going to reduce the heat to medium, and now we're going to put the pretzels inside it. It's So the purpose of putting the pretzels into the baking soda is for it to rise and fluff up from the inside. That is why we're supposed to use baking soda and boiled water. So we're just going to let it be inside for a few minutes, then turn it the other way upside down and remove it then. So I'm just going to flip it over. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be. Once it's fluffed up, we're just going to take it off the water and put it on a greased parchment paper, just like that. And we're going to repeat the same process with the rest of the pretzels. This is how the pretzels are after soaking them in the baking soda. They have fluffed up, and now we're going to bake them. But before that, we're going to coat them with some egg wash. Okay, so that's done. Now we are going to bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Okay, so the pretzels are now ready. As you can see, they are supposed to be in the golden color, not too dark and not too light, because sometimes they might be raw from inside. So this is how they're supposed to be. See, it has the nice glowish on it of the egg squash, and this is how it's supposed to be from the inside. It's fully baked. You can have these pretzels anytime in the morning for breakfast or in the evening as a snack with your cup of tea. And if you have family gatherings and you want something easy to make, this is the sure thing for you. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment on how you liked it. Thank you.